Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have my old Specialized Hardrock from 2010, and this video is about the upgrades that I've made, some changes, some minor changes, and if you have the same bicycle you might get some ideas. So starting from the front, I've changed the brake levers with these ones from Tektro. They're still mechanical brakes, but compared to the stock ones, these ones are much better. And I also added this silicone cover, which makes it a bit more pleasant to touch. I've changed the handlebar. This is an XLC handlebar. It's a German brand. It's not very wide. I think it's 640 millimeters, but I bought it because of the rise. It has a very big rise of 50 millimeters, and this frame is a bit too large for me, and I just wanted to make the reach as small as possible. Okay. Other than that, I've also changed the stem. This is a stem from BBB, also a German brand, and it has 35 millimeters rise. And the length is 90 millimeters. This makes the position a bit more upper. Eventually I will have to change the fork as well, because this old SR Santur is just completely stuck. No matter what I do, it's just completely stuck. It's just an old fork, and yeah, these ones are pretty cheap if you buy one that is used but in good condition. Also, I've changed the pedals. These are very cheap aluminum pedals, but they work quite well. Also, I've added these crank protectors made of silicone. The problem is that they get dirty quickly. They attract a lot of dirt, but it's worth it if you want to just protect the cranks. I've also added this kickstand from Cube. I use the bicycle mainly in the city, and this can be quite helpful. I've also changed this saddle. I still have the old saddle, which I think it's amazing, but I've added this one from Whitkop. It's called Whitkop Medicus, and it's a bit more comfortable. It has more padding and it's more soft. Okay. Going on the drivetrain side, I've also changed the drivetrain completely. So on the front, I've replaced the stock crankset with this one. It's made in Taiwan. It's called Shun, and it has the same spec as the stock one, which was an SR Santur XCT V2. Okay, I've changed the chain with the same KMC 8-speed chain. I've cut the same number of links as the stock chain. And on the back I've changed the cassette with this one from Shimano. Previously the bicycle had an SRAM cassette, but I had to change it because it was too worn out. And also I've added this small green lock ring. Other than that, just minor accessories like this specialized computer which is wired, and just because of that I might replace it with a wireless one. Added 2 cage bottles. This one is a specialized one, and this one is an old bottle cage that I had. It's made in Italy, Paron Elite. And I think that's pretty much it. And the BBB ring bell, which sounds very loud. And also important for these bicycles is these stickers, which are frame protectors. These cables are pretty rough, and eventually they will just carve in the paint here. As you can see, the paint is a bit worn out here in this area. I bought these ones from AliExpress. You can find them pretty cheap, around $2, so they're a very good deal. What else I'd like to change is the bottom bracket at some point. As you can see, the cranks are not moving so easily, probably because of the bottom bracket. Even though it doesn't have any play, it doesn't make any sounds, so I think it's still going to work for a while. The brakes work perfectly. Also the front derailleur and the rear derailleur, I have no reasons to change those. And also the tires, I will not change those. Okay, other than that, as I said, the fork, I will have to change it, and yeah, the bike is just in very good condition. Otherwise, it's an amazing experience to ride it. It has this dirt geometry. I think the frame is pretty much the same as they had on the old specialized stump jumper, which was the top model they had in 2010. They share the same frame. So overall, this is a high quality bicycle. I hope that with this video I gave you some ideas about the upgrades. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comments. Please subscribe if you found the video useful, and thank you for watching.